Hello there everyone, welcome back to our channel again. In today's quick video, you are going to see how to get multi-snap option back on Snapchat. So to do that, head over to your Snapchat application. Once you're there, make sure you have logged in into your desired account. And if you want to take multi-snap, if you tap on these drop-down icon on the upper right corner, you will find there is an option of multi-step here. So if you don't find this option, you can do several things, or you can try several things, like you can just make sure your Snapchat is updated to the latest version. Head over to your Play Store and check for Snapchat's update. Just search for Snapchat, go to its installation section, and here if you find there is an update available, make sure you have made an update to its latest version. If you have done it too, you can also try another thing, that is turning it off, or uninstalling your Snapchat and installing it again. So these two ways can help you get back your multi-snap option back. So yeah, this is how you can do it. Hope this video will help you out, and we will see you in the next video.